Face masks are becoming an unavoidable part of our daily lives, and designers are making sure that we protect ourselves in style. I'm Nona Blackman for Envato Tuts Plus. And if you need a great face mask mockup to show off your latest design, I'll show you how to create one in no time at all. Go to placeit.net and type face mask mockup in the search bar. Scroll through the available mockups and click on the one you like the most. This will open up the face mask mockup generator. To customize your template, start with the settings on the right and select a color for your face mask using the drop-down color picker. Or you can move to the settings on the left and click Upload Image. Select your design from your computer, resize the image, move it around, and when it's just right, click Crop. Now you will select your color scheme. Move to the controls on the right and using the drop-down color picker, choose a lace color and then a color for your background. You can add a graphic or your own logo if you want to using the Add Graphic button here. I'm not adding a graphic, but I will add some text. To do so, I'll return to the settings on the left and choose Add Text. Write your text here, then you can change the font and the font color. You can also set the background color of the text. I'm going to make mine transparent. Resize your text and move it wherever you want it to be. If you don't like any of the changes that you've made, you can hit the Reset Layout button, which will return you to the default layout. When you're happy with your mockup, you can download it for a small fee. And that's it, your mockup is ready to use. There are all sorts of awesome face mask mockups at Placeit. Some show the front of the mask, others are half turned, some show a side view, and some offer a flat lay. Of course, if you're specifically looking for a template you can customize in Photoshop, both Envato Elements and Graphic River have a number of terrific face mask Photoshop mockups that you can customize. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you feel the love, share the love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see other terrific videos from Envato Tuts Plus, subscribe. I'm Nona Blackman, and I'll see you next time.